Honeybees are amazing little workers. Did you know a single bee makes just 1/12 of a teaspoon of honey in its lifetime? It takes thousands of bees to produce 1 jar of honey. Bees communicate by dancing. Their waggle dance tells other bees where to find food, complete with directions and distance. As pollinators, honeybees are crucial for our food supply, helping to grow fruits, vegetables, and nuts. Without them, many crops wouldn't survive. Cool fact: honey never spoils. Archaeologists have found honey in ancient tombs that's still edible. Aren't bees incredible? Like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating facts.